Broke my heart, so I went to the bank. I been living crooked, so I really love straights. My label want me to move back to LA. She say, Lucky, I'm proud of you. My bitch like, nigga, don't even say thanks.
Alright, what's good, y'all, man? It's Lucky Undisputed, man. I'm back with another video, man. And guess what? Shit, man. I'm back in the bitty, man. I'm back in A, man. ACATLG, yeah, that's where I'm from. Some niggas know how we come. You know what I'm saying? But shit, no, we at Cascade Park, you know what I'm saying? Getting this nature. Check the fit out. You know what I'm saying? Some regular shit. Beat up fours. Old track pants from Main Street. No owner jacket. Shout out them. Double R, really rich, keep kids all cheap drugs, you know what I'm saying? No cheap drugs, no fent. Sleazy department beanie. Just come through trim every time, man. That's
people like your ass, bro.
Huh?
People like your ass, bro.
Who?
Right here. I thought this was your ass.
Yeah, playing, hold on.
I swear I thought this was your ass.
This nigga look like me. This nigga do look like me, don't he? But shit, no, let's see where we going. Definitely know how to read a map. We going to A, B, and E. What's good, man? Bro, we in fucking nature, man. You know what I'm saying? We in nature, man. Niggas finna explore, you know what I'm saying? Let me show you who I'm with, bro. I'm with Jermaine. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Ooh, put it behind. Both got it behind his back. Yeah, can't put that on the cam. Come on, what these is, bro? What them shoes is, bro? Rickies. No, show me your fit. What's the fit looking like, P?
Some regular loafers.
Loafers,
Levi
denim,
jeans.
Levi jeans. Come through trim.
One came from a store. Not one. This like 5 or 5 piece.
Ah, for real.
Got this some regular goddamn button up shit.
Okay, look, that belt though.
Belt though.
Diablo, motherfucker.
You know what I'm saying? When I got down, what you said, Mir?
Walking Texas Ranger.
Walking Texas Ranger.
Shit today, man.
Nah, for real, man. Nah, these the guys. It's shit, man. Now we exploring, man. Hello, world. Heard that be like 5 times.
Face sir.
Hold on, let's go in there. Hold on. Let's go over here. Nigga curious as fuck, like. Nigga curious as hell. I'm exploring shit in that double R, you see what I'm saying? Nigga curious. Okay, down here.
Mir. Mir. Hey, this nigga stupid, bro.
Oh, what the fuck? This bitch is like a goddamn cheese factory, man. They used to make like, whoa. Just make sure there ain't no snakes or nothing over here. They used to cook shit in here.
It looked like it.
Like, bro. Like, this a whole oven.
It's like a piece of,
Niggas. They was cooking something in this motherfucker. They was cooking pizza in there.
Let me turn that motherfucker up for you.
They was cooking pizza.
Daddy, come here.
Bro. I'm in a mystical goddamn.
Come here.
I'm scared to go through here a little bit. Let's get up out of here.
What is that?
I'm just really on some like Tarzan shit today. Like, nigga might climb a tree. You know what I'm saying? nigga, man, come on. Nigga might climb a tree. But like, hey, y'all, and I've been thinking y'all like, about like, you know, taking like some shrooms and shit. And, you know, since I'm at the crib and shit, you know, I'm at Cascade Park. If y'all let me know if y'all want me to like post a video like of my experience and stuff, like, cause I really want to try it. Then like, you know, it's beautiful out here. I ain't never even been here for real, like, you feel me? So this a new world for me, just like it is for y'all, bro. I love y'all, Lucky Undisputed. I wonder which way is the waterfall. I'm gonna go with my gut. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the tiger by the toe. Ooh. Hold on, see, thing is, I've been watching my nature shit. Look at the stream right there. See that stream?
Yeah.
See that stream? You gotta see the direction it's coming from.
Which way you think? I know which way. Which way you think?
Hold on.
Nigga smell. Oh yeah.
You know my Native American side.
God damn, nigga back up.
You gotta get in that nigga nose. Damn.
Ah! shit stank out here, nigga. I think it's that way.
Yeah. Smart nigga. Right?
Smart man, huh? This shit really like give me a peace of mind, you know. My ass be like going through it in my brain sometimes. Like I be kind of doubting myself. My confidence gonna be there all the time, but I'm a confident guy. But it's like, you know, sometimes you need nature. I don't want to Illuminati shit. Gazer, gazer, gazer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Like, hold on. Oh. Woo! Let's go! Man, you see all this running water, y'all? Like, look at this waterfall, bro. Oh shit!
Don't bust your shit now. Hold on.
Man, nah, this shit fine, y'all. Like, we're just out here with the guys. You know, we finna do. You know what I'm saying? Why not? You know, use this nature to our advantage, bro. You know what I'm saying? Get some fresh air. Montgomery, you know, I'll be out there and say, Montgomery air quality ain't all that, man. So I gotta go to Cascade. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right. Look at him shooting that. What's good, y'all, man? As you can see, you know, still at Cascade. Now we made it to the waterfalls. Like my senses led me. Got my nigga DSD in the back, Dark Side Dream. Oh, cool ass, cool ass nigga. That's it, man. Like I'm just. Look, out here getting a peace of mind, trying to be my best self. Look, man. Look, Michael Jordan will be proud of me. Look at these performances, the performances, man. Michael Jordan will be happy, man. He need to find Jordan 4 is durable, man. So like, just trying, man. Trying new things. You know, I ain't ever went hiking before or nothing, so it's just like, you know.
Nigga about to bust this shit.
See, thing is, I ain't in the proper attire. I'm kind of a little, you know, it's a workout, but I'm genuinely enjoying it, and I'm doing it with my brothers, man. I can't ask for a better experience for real, man. But look, y'all, let me find my way down. Woo! Oh, shit. Oh. My ass struggling out here, man. Folks said Tarzan. I'm not, nigga, not Tarzan, man.
Bring on some like Tarzan shit today, like, nigga, my.
But no, that's what I'm saying. Oh, shit.
Nigga, I got him dancing. Hey.
My ass. Doing the tango out this motherfucker. But nah, shit. I forgot what I was saying, nigga. Nah, look, y'all. You know, this the last of the, you know, waterfalls. And look, we finna go downtown, show y'all.
You gotta gatekeep this shit. You just said, okay, so you gotta gatekeep it.
Okay, well, okay, they will. We gonna cut that out, but now look, y'all, man, we at this. Look, y'all, you know what I'm saying? This is the last of the waterfall. You know, I enjoy my nature experience. I'm finna catch up with y'all when I. But now look, y'all, this is the last of my waterfall experience. I'm finna catch up with y'all in the city. I'm finna show y'all a few shots. I'm finna show y'all my guys. We finna just get right. Look on the street, I'm out here.
Smell like grins. Inside white bitch, inside crins.
This road, man, I had right plane. Yeah, I went better, man. Move on the wheel. To make shots and stars on the road. Do what you do, but you ain't it get hot out.
Yeah, on some random pussy, yeah, get the shit, get the graffiti and shit.
You want graffiti in that motherfucker?
That's a culture, that's a real Atlanta.
I want to see somebody.
They say I don't be in the real Atlanta. They say I don't be in the real Atlanta, man. We finna go to Edgewood, man. Let's go to Edgewood, man. 25 kids, you know what I'm saying? It's a real culture of Atlanta. You gonna see different type of people. You gonna see Hebrew Israelites. You gonna see people selling different type of herbs. It's different type of businesses over there. You got tattoo shops, high-end clothing shops, shoe shops, different things, different opportunities over here in Atlanta. Although it might be in a kind of a bad neighborhood, it's still a thriving place, man. We finna just show y'all like the inner city, like the real kind of slept on places. It's not even slept on for real, but I'm introducing y'all to it. Love y'all. Alright, what's good, y'all, man? We back, man. We at I'm with the guys that just pulled up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what we finna do though, bro. For real. I got $60 in my pocket. I'm finna make this shit shake, bro.
Let me see that ass smack.
I'm probably finna go into a few clothing stores looking something. Might find like a record or something. I don't know. I just wanna find some new shit, and I need some more accessories too. Might get a necklace or something, you know. I'm gonna keep y'all posted on everything and shit. Love y'all.
I think I got it.
I'm trying to find something. I don't even know what to look for real, bro. Like, I don't even be like going like just like thrifting and all that stuff. So I'm just all new to this shit. Come, I'm introducing myself. I'm introducing y'all to some shit. But nah, I just got kicked out the store, man. It's Sunday. I ain't gonna lie, all these stores closed. We hungry. We probably finna go get something to eat. You know what I'm saying? Shit, bro. Like I wish I could have showed y'all more, but shit, bro. We gonna have more in store. Love y'all. Yo, what's good, y'all? I'm at Hudsonville with the guys, man. I just got my food. I got me like I think it's called a Mac Burger, barbecue sauce, bacon, onions. All my niggas over there eating good. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, nah, bro. I don't know what we doing after this, but shoot. Y'all gonna see me something?
Oh God.
You got a Switch twin.
Say that again.
3D printed it, bro.
John.
How you do that?
Two guns, John.
Oh, you the real two guns, bro.
No.
I can't vote. No, that's the real one with the I don't know where is this nigga?
Where y'all trying to go, bro?
It's cold as
Pond is, bro. It's too cold, bro. And Ponds don't have nothing, bro.
But listen, y'all doing, bro. Where your roommate at?
Oh, he not here. That's not smoking the door for real. Not for real.
Where the hoes at?
Where the hoes, bro? Where you want to go, bro? Where you trying to go, Swan? Nah, for real.
Oh yeah, bro.
Hey,
Who the two girls?
tell them what you got on, bro.
Straight black
Shit,
hair.
bro. I got this from Bro Brand,
Nigga,
Swear
loser
Brand.
ass nigga, bro.
2 swords. He shot me video, by the way.
Nah, for real.
Got the skinnies. Ain't too much.
Yeah, just all black, just chill.
I said we all know bad.
Twin can't do it, Infinity. This bitch be in the Hellcat, I ain't gonna lie.
Shotgun. No, nigga.
This bitch be in the Hellcat, Jacob.
Bro, let's do a real quick one. This shit start.
Come on, let's hit this. That shit is start a cold start. Ooh!
Don't let me ready.
Hello!
Don't let me ready. Oh my god.
Rick! Woo! Woo! Do that bitch again! Woo! 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 Come on, boy! Hey! Hey!
Hey, Jay.
Shit. Man, what's good, y'all? Man, I'm at Jacob crib, man. We like really like we on the south side of Atlanta, bro. But like we in like the middle of like Riverdale, College Park, Union City, kind of like in the middle. We in, you know what I'm saying? We South Portsmouth, we on the south side. This is where I'm from, man. We finna go to Jimmy's crib over that. Be with the guys. Probably get Jonathan drunk. No, I'm just playing. We ain't gonna get nobody drunk. But no, bro. Just chilling with the guys for real. I'm trying to figure out if I want to make this like just my whole day period or just like my whole week. You feel me? But I don't know, man. You know what I'm saying? More still got to be done. The night ain't over. Shit, I love y'all. Oh, hold on.
Nigga try to kick Cam.
Yeah. Slap. Yeah. There you go.
There you go. Let go.
All right, now what? It ain't recording. You gotta start that bitch.
Are you gonna?
Wait a minute, back. Just hello. Wait a minute. Let me stop stopping. I'm never stopping. I'm gonna keep on grinding.
You
I'm never. Fuck.
You should say it right back. Right back.
I gotta delete that part. I ain't gonna lie. Can we delete like the last 2 parts? So you're not bleeding. He crib. Ah!
You got the headphones on. You don't. You got the headphones.
Am I fucking up? I'm fucking up though. Like, somebody say this one for me. Like, all right, let me do this shit for real. Did I fuck it up? I'm like, one more song.
Run it back.
Like, I can really do that, motherfucker. Though, like, I'm in that motherfucking go.
What you think about?
You did.
You saying?
I'm in that motherfucking go. So
Yeah, that be a hard fuck though.
Alright, we gotta go back. We can trim this down a little bit. Yeah, trim that down a little more. We to like the swoop.
That boy said he got them.
Alright, there we go.
Innovator.
Yeah,
Let him cook real quick.
So you don't believe in so you're not bleeding the soap. Fuck! How do I find something to say like?
Broke my heart, so I went to the bank. I been living crooked, so I really love straights. My label want me to move back to LA. She say, Lucky, I'm proud of you. My bitch like, nigga, don't even say thanks.